How are you finding the conference so far?
I think it's great. I think it brings together a lot of people from the industry globally around the world. I always find the New York event to be interesting. And it's definitely informative. It's a changing industry, changing environment, so it's great to see all the people come together and hear perspective.
And what do you think is going to happen in 2019, 2020?
I think in general, there is a lot of room for growth. A lot of models are changing. It seems to me that there's general optimism around the industry. People are obviously getting more and more comfortable that there's volatility in the space. So just being prepared, well-financed, understanding the different regulations coming into play are making people hopefully more confident about continuing to invest in this industry.
Any particular market that you're looking at more closely than others?
No, I think in general we look for, we focus on really 4 different strategies. So number 1 is secondhand vessel acquisition financing. That's a great space for us to continue to grow. The second is in vessel deconstruction, especially with what's going on with new regulations. We think that people are going to be continuing to scrap their vessels. That's an area that we finance heavily and we're excited about. Trade finance is a newer area for YieldStreet, which we're going to continue to dig deep in. We'd like to go vertical in the industry and really help these companies scale out and build as much as we can. And then finally for 2019, what we're looking to do, and I think it's going to help the broader finance industry, is partner with banks to help the banks win their clients by providing more kind of mezzanine finance where they're doing senior debt. So those are some things that I think will happen this year.
And is that in reliance because not regular investors are coming in? Is that in a way to help keep the regular investors in, the banks and whatnot?
I think it's like, in general, industry's changed. Financial services as a whole is an evolving industry. I think that banks are continuing to exit the space and be less aggressive. It gives room for alternative financiers to come in. Take YieldStreet, for example. We really are a digital wealth management platform powered by retail. We have over 120,000 users on our platform. We grow by 5 to 10% a month. Our first investment in marine was a year ago. We funded $140 million to date. Our last deal was $16 million and sold out in 38 seconds and was oversubscribed by double in a minute. So I think that there's new entrants coming in to support finance in the market and other ones kind of evolving and going out, but I don't see that different than any other industry.